This is my attempt at a natural gas foundry burner. It's basically made out of regular black iron pipe fittings you can get from Home Depot. The gas is supplied by a 3/8 inch air compressor hose that's hooked up where my barbecue is over there. To regulate it, I've got a 1/4 inch ball valve, and to regulate the air, I have a 3/4 inch gate valve. The air for this is actually supplied by this vacuum here. It's a bucket vac from Home Depot. I've got the hose attached to the output, and it fits directly over a 3/4 inch black iron pipe. The vacuum itself blows too much air, so this is it's called a router speed control from Harbor Freight. It actually will control the speed of anything with a motor. So I use that to regulate the speed of the vacuum, and I use this valve here to provide more regulation for the airflow. So this is our foundry. Right now it's just the bottom of a 55-gallon bucket. I cut it about, it's 1.5 feet. I filled it with cement. Inside of that is going to be some ceramic wool, and inside of that is going to be a thin layer of high temperature cement, and the lid from the bucket will be the lid. I drilled a 2-inch hole in the side, and that's a 2-inch pipe nipple going through the hole. That will be cemented in place eventually and holds the burner. So let's slip it in and see how it works. First thing I'm going to do is turn on the gas and light the fire. Try to light the fire. This lighter sucks. Okay, we managed to get it lit. This right here is a flame with just gas. Notice it's orange and it's not going to make that much heat. So let's turn on the air. We'll start with it on the lowest speed. Right now the valve is shut. I'm going to open it very slowly. And that's a nice hot blue flame. Once the inside of this thing is smaller, it'll start circling around the chamber and engulf the crucible. And once it's insulated, that should melt the metal. This was basically just to see if it works.